Welcome back, little learners. Today we're peeking into the kitchen to guess the clever tools that help us cook and bake. Can you name them all? Question 1. You hold me in your hand at almost every meal. One end of me is round and scooped like a tiny bowl. You use me to stir your tea or eat your soup. Is it the fork, the spoon, or the plate? It's the spoon. People have eaten with spoons for thousands of years, long before forks were common at the table. Question 2. I get very hot inside, but I'm not for cooking food. Fill me with water and switch me on to warm it up. Some of me whistle or sing when the water is ready for tea. Is it the mug, the pan, or the kettle? It's the kettle. A whistling kettle sings because steam is squeezed through a tiny hole in its spout. Question 3. I'm made of lots of thin wire loops joined at one end. You move me round and round very fast inside a bowl. I beat eggs and cream until they turn light and fluffy. Is it the whisk, the ladle, or the rolling pin? It's the whisk. Whisking traps tiny bubbles of air, and that is what makes cream and eggs go so light and fluffy. Question 4. I'm covered all over in lots of little rough holes. Rub something hard against me and it comes out in tiny shreds. Cooks use me to turn a block of cheese into a fluffy pile. Is it the spoon, the jug, or the grater? It's the grater. Its little holes have sharp edges that shave off thin shreds as you rub food across them. Question 5. I'm long and round and usually made of smooth wood. You push me back and forth with both hands on the table. I squash lumps of dough nice and flat before they go in the oven. Is it the rolling pin, the whisk, or the kettle? It's the rolling pin. Bakers dust it with flour first so the sticky dough doesn't cling to the wood. Question 6. I'm shaped like a bowl, but I'm full of tiny holes. Shake me and the fine bits fall through while the lumps stay behind. Bakers tap flour through me so it falls softly like snow. Is it the spoon, the sieve, or the grater? It's the sieve. Shaking flour through a sieve breaks up the lumps and mixes in air, so cakes bake lighter. Brilliant work, little learners, you're real kitchen detectives now. See you next time for more fun.